Today we're checking out some more Eurovision. Today we're checking out Ukraine's performance from Ziferblat, Birds of Prey, with an A, so it's praying birds.
We're specifically checking this out as an apology on behalf of our political establishment towards the treatment of their president of Ukraine.
Talking about the Don.
The Don and his
goons.
His goons.
All his JD Vance is a big old goon.
His goons in suits.
He looks like a clown. He has like a weird eyeliner around his eyes all the time.
Yeah, it's kind of scary.
He's a dang goon and maybe a pedophile.
He's got those vibes.
He has the pedo vibes. Anyways.
And they're weird.
They are weird. They're always weirdos. Eurovision, Ukraine performance. Let's do it. Here we go.
Хочу нікуди їхати.
Ну і не їдь. Рухай свій світ, якщо хочеш.
Додай гучності своєму
Get some
мейку
ads in here
з
quick.
Maybelline New York.
Oh yeah. Whoa.
And some tall grass. Whoa. Quite the harmony they got going.
Dang.
Я світла шукаю, гори зверну. And I call you blood, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share
Wow, this is a very different style.
with someone who cares of me and my little bird of prey.
Whoa.
So interesting.
Вертайся додому, рідна стежка. Спів перелітних пташок народить весну. I call you fly, but I'm begging you just guess of me and my little bird.
Oh, we'll go into a rock anthem. Guitars shredding. Interesting song to have a guitar solo on.
Like a bird, where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies. But
Oh.
I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of
Man, that's such a cool vibe.
She can hit some crazy notes. Wow.
That is so unique to just have the women in the back do this like harmonizing and like high pitched notes to go along with everything that's happening.
Man, that was a really interesting performance. We haven't seen one like that. It was almost like I don't know, it was like a movie soundtrack, kind of like, you know how they have those harmonies that will come up over like a nice scene I would think in like a Disney movie, kind of like The Lion King, where it comes in, but then they also had a random guitar solo in there, and the vocals from the main singer were really unique. Wow, what an interesting song.
There's so many different elements. That 3-minute song right there, that was a journey.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let us know some more about the meaning of this song. I have a few ideas, but you never know for sure.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, let us know.
All we know is Trump and the goons aren't going to stop Ukraine, right?
Yeah, right? You guys got this.
I hate Trump and the goons.
The dang goons.
The guy in the back that said, "Why aren't you wearing a suit?" That's the new current event in the U.S. is that meeting. That was really rough.
We're very sorry.
Sorry. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.